Hello guys, this is Jane. I'm going to inform you it has been a long time since I've uploaded some spell. The brother Kyle 123 Kyle 123 aesthetic is me since I've not been on this channel I think for a long time. And now I don't know what I have to say and just uploading because well I haven't uploaded in a while. And so yeah. I'm not going to switch my channel or anything, so yeah. And what I did in yeah, that's YouTube. So, and Cover 124 just did a map that I just released, and he did before I published it and out onto the internet and stuff, and so like, now I'm not going to bring it out since it's exploded. Since like at the end of the map, you're supposed to get the 2 redstone torches and put it under them and place them and then like explode. So I put obsidian behind the guy so the boss guy made it. He's supposed to be called the oil boss. Yeah.
Why are you
Because they just a bunch of like open and diamond and oil from Minecraft. Yeah, that's like iron, diamond, and like Dr. Oils. That's what I put in. So yep, it exploded, but when the fireworks show happened up there, and mine got crashed, and it was like froze up, and like, then he put in the movie, and like it just stopped lagging, and turned off his game since I closed down the flow.
That's not what happened. It didn't stop.
Hmm?
Since I put in the movie, the movie was on top of Minecraft.
Oh.
Minecraft is still there.
Oh, because Minecraft is still there. Not stopped lagging or anything. It's still right there. And he's waiting for it to spawn. And he just said he finally posted it now. Yeah. I have nothing to talk about, but except for like YouTube has been having like some problems or like now like some videos that I watch. Okay, so this is better. Yeah, I think it is the second time I said it. So yeah. And, well, I've been watching that guy's Minecraft and stuff and Ant Venom. So that's why I haven't really been uploading since like I have been doing a lot of stuff. And uploading was not on the top of my mind. That's a bad perspective.
I fixed it. No, that's not what the problem was, but I fixed it.
This is better. So yeah. Right, YouTube's been down and like I'm gonna say the creators of YouTube have a channel, and I'm gonna tell them how many problems they've been having about not being able to load videos and stuff. So yeah. Well, hope you all have a fun weekend since it's not weekend yet. The rest of the time we don't have to go to school and stuff. So just
Like when I
see ya.
in the sound
Enjoy the rest of your time.